Hello everyone, we're thrilled to have you with us today. We're about to delve into a fascinating topic. Today we're exploring the realm of breakfast meals, but not just any meals. We're talking about the 5 best breakfast meals to help you lose belly fat, chest fat, and love handles. We'll be diving into the science behind these meals and why a healthy breakfast is so crucial when it comes to weight loss. So are you ready to discover these amazing breakfast meals? Hold on to your seats. Our first meal is a classic favorite, oatmeal with berries and nuts. This isn't just a delicious breakfast, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can kickstart your day and support your weight loss journey. Oatmeal, for instance, is packed with fiber. This is not just any fiber but beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that slows down digestion, keeping you fuller for longer and helping curb those mid-morning snack cravings. Then we have the berries. Bursting with flavor and color, these little fruits are high in antioxidants and fiber, aiding in digestion and fighting off harmful radicals. And let's not forget the nuts. Nuts are a fantastic source of good fats and protein, keeping you satiated and providing a steady energy release throughout the day. Multiple scientific studies have confirmed the benefits of these ingredients, showing they indeed aid in weight loss and overall health. So, next time you get up, try a bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts. Your body will thank you. Moving on, our second breakfast meal is Greek yogurt with mixed seeds. Now, you might be wondering, why Greek yogurt and mixed seeds? Well, let me enlighten you. Greek yogurt is not just any ordinary yogurt. It's packed with high-quality protein, which can reduce feelings of hunger and has a metabolic boost effect. Moreover, it's rich in probiotics that are beneficial for your gut health. On the other hand, mixed seeds like chia, flax, and pumpkin seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrients. They're high in fiber and protein, which further aid in reducing appetite. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, regular consumption of chia seeds can lead to weight loss. Combine these two, and you have a flavorful, filling, and nutrient-rich breakfast that can help you in your weight loss journey. So, why not give Greek yogurt with mixed seeds a try for your next breakfast? It's a delicious and healthy way to start the day. Our third breakfast meal is a trendy favorite, avocado and egg toast. Now, what makes this a breakfast superstar? Let's start with the avocado. This fruit is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered healthy fats. They can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Avocados are also a great source of fiber, which can help you feel fuller longer and aid in weight loss. Next, let's talk about eggs. They are a high-quality protein source. Protein aids in building and repairing muscles and tissues, and it also keeps you feeling satiated. Research from the International Journal of Obesity suggests that consuming a high-protein breakfast can lead to less hunger and calorie intake throughout the day, aiding in weight loss. With avocado and egg toast, you get a satisfying and nutritious breakfast that can help you lose those unwanted fats. Our fourth breakfast meal is a unique one, quinoa porridge with fruits. Let's dive into the science behind this delightful dish. Quinoa, a grain from the Andes, is hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. Unlike most plant-based foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. This protein richness can help you feel full longer, aiding in weight loss. Now let's talk fruits. These nature's candies are not just sweet treats, they're also packed with fiber. Fiber, as research shows, doesn't just keep your digestion smooth, it also slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar highs and crashes. This means you stay satisfied longer and are less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. So there you have it. Quinoa porridge with fruits can be a refreshing change to your breakfast routine, providing the nutrients you need to kickstart your day. Last but certainly not least, our fifth breakfast meal is a nutritious green smoothie. Green smoothies, packed with leafy greens, fruits, and a good protein source, offer an ideal breakfast option for those aiming to lose weight. But how do these ingredients work? Let's break it down. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are low in calories yet high in fiber. This helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing overeating later in the day. Fruits, on the other hand, add a natural sweetness and a variety of essential nutrients. The protein source, which could be Greek yogurt or a plant-based protein powder, contributes to muscle recovery and growth, while also aiding in satiety. Several studies support the benefits of these ingredients. For instance, a research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition states that a higher intake of dietary fiber is associated with lower body weight and decreased belly fat. So next time you're in a rush, don't forget to whip up a green smoothie. It's a fast and healthy way to fuel your day. And there you have it, folks, 5 incredible breakfast meals that can help you lose belly fat, chest fat, and love handles. Let's quickly run through them one more time. We started with the fiber-rich oatmeal, topped with berries and nuts, a powerhouse of antioxidants and healthy fats. Then we moved on to the protein-packed Greek yogurt, sprinkled with a mix of seeds, offering a variety of essential nutrients. The third meal was a delicious avocado and egg toast, a perfect blend of healthy fats and protein, keeping you satiated for longer. Our fourth meal was quinoa porridge, served with fruits. This gluten-free, high-protein grain, paired with fruits, provides a sweet taste and a boost of vitamins. Lastly, we rounded off with a nutrient-dense green smoothie, an easy and quick way to consume your greens while enjoying a refreshing taste. Each of these meals not only tastes great but also incorporates a balance of macro and micronutrients, making them ideal for weight loss and overall health. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the day. It kickstarts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories throughout the day. So give these meals a try and witness the transformation in your body and overall health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. Until next time, here's to a healthier, happier you.